Welcome to today's video, you guys. If you're new here, it's Bree here with Biz with Bree. This channel is all about entrepreneur tips, small business growth tips, and using social media for business. So if you think that's something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for our next video. So to get into today's video, it's going to be on our featured business of the week. We have a dynamic duo this week. They are a husband and wife team. They both are Greek. She's an AKA, he's a Kappa. I mean, they're just a match made in heaven. They've been high school sweethearts. I mean, how good does this story get, right? Right? Let's talk about what they have. She makes custom gifts and paddles for the Greeks. He makes ShowKanes. I mean, exceptional quality, exceptional taping. I mean, just mwah, mwah. I'm gonna show a little bit down here, but yeah, you guys, if you're a Greek, check them out. Go ahead and support them. Support your local small business. If you're not a Greek, if you know a Greek, go tell a Greek. Tell them they got to order. They got to get something out. Definitely go ahead and check them out. I will have a link to their profiles and their stores down below. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Definitely go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Definitely stay tuned for our next video next week on Tuesday. We're going to be dropping some knowledge on how to start a small business and how to get that business legalized. If that's something that you think you'll be interested in, definitely go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment below just saying hi and you're waiting to see next week's video. As always, you guys stay blessed and I will see you in the next video.